First of all, Happy New Year. Gold yesterday has created a bearish candle below 2618.75 at support level. This was a bearish breakout below this one, and it was indication for the further decline down unless we can see the day after that confirming this or making another bullish breakout, which is the opposite direction. So for now we can see that the price is forming this bullish candle, which means that the price is jumping around between these two price levels. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see how the price is behaving between 2634.86 and below that 2606.19. So this is the range area where the price is currently is stuck, and we can see that the price is bouncing between these resistance and the support levels. So I'm also expecting that the price will continue to bounce between these two price levels until we see the price goes after several days after the holidays are over. So for this week I'm expecting that the price will jump around these two price levels, so there is nothing too much to say about here. So the technical analysis around these very important levels will not be so very important for now, unless I see a strong movement above or below these support and resistance levels. So for now, for the daily, we can see that the price is making invalidation of this bearish breakout since yesterday, and it is forming a bullish breakout about 2618.75, and we can see that 2618.75 is in the middle between this resistance and this support level, which means that the price will jump between these two price levels, support and resistance, unless we see the bullish breakout or bearish breakout below this one. So for now I'm still waiting for this indecision range area to pass, and also the holidays this week to pass, and then we'll see next week probably will have much more higher volatility where the price could find its way for the future direction. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.